Feeling a bit lost in life? Wondering what your true purpose is? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're breaking it down with a fun and practical step-by-step guide on how to find your life's purpose. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have more clarity and maybe even a new direction. First things first, what do you love doing? Think about what lights you up. Is it painting, helping others, crunching numbers, or maybe cooking? Finding your purpose often starts with something you enjoy, even if it's binge-watching cat videos. Seriously, passions often hold clues to your purpose. Next, what are you naturally good at? You don't have to be a super genius, but there's something you excel at that others find tough. Is it solving puzzles? Fixing things? Or maybe you're a natural at connecting with people. Your strengths are often your hidden superpowers. Here's where it gets interesting. What does the world need right now? It could be something big like helping the environment, or something closer to home like mentoring younger people. Your purpose isn't just about you. It's about how you can make a difference. Sometimes we're too close to ourselves to see our strengths clearly. Ask your friends and family what they think you're great at. You'll be surprised how often others see our gifts more clearly than we do. Here's a fun one. Try new things. Yes, step out of your comfort zone. Sign up for that pottery class, volunteer, or start that blog you've been thinking about. You won't know what truly resonates with you until you explore. Look back at your life and notice the patterns. What do you keep coming back to no matter what? Maybe it's writing, helping others, or even tech. These recurring themes often hold the key to your purpose. Here's a biggie. Don't fear failure. Finding your purpose isn't a one-time event. It's a process, and you might fail a few times along the way, and that's okay. Every misstep is one step closer to finding what truly makes you come alive. Here's the thing. Purpose isn't found overnight. It's revealed through action. Start by taking small steps every day toward what excites you. Even 10 minutes a day adds up and can lead you to your greater purpose. Ever heard the saying, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Surround yourself with people who are driven and purposeful, and their energy will rub off on you. Finally, be patient. Finding your purpose takes time, and that's okay. There's no rush. Trust the process, stay open to new opportunities, and remember, purpose is more about the journey than the destination. So, there you have it, 10 practical steps to help you find your purpose in life. Now it's your turn. What step resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and inspiration.